Good morning, guys. Okay, so Fernando suggested that I call you guys Trendy Crew. So you tell me down below how you guys feel about that. So let's try it out. Good morning, Trendy Crew. Today is
Day 3.
Day 3, May 20th, our anniversary, and it's so exciting. It's a happy day, happy celebratory day.
Oh yeah.
So the weather looks much better today. It's supposed to be the same forecast as yesterday, but it does look better. So we're gonna run to the casino, of course, because we want to take advantage of the 3 days that they have the cheaper tables. Then we're gonna go straight to outside and hope to enjoy some of the weather. We have reservations tonight at Wonderland, which I'm super excited about. It's such a unique experience and I can't wait to show you guys. What else? We have 1977 today, which is an ice skating show.
I heard that was supposed to be better than the one we watched yesterday.
So that'll be fun. And tomorrow we have our first port, which is St. Kitts, and we've never been there before. So that should be fun. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Today we also brought, if you guys saw our wedding video, on our ceremony, our wedding ceremony, we had this box. Yeah, I got it. We had this box and we had a wine bottle inside. It's right here. It's actually signed by everyone who showed up to our engagement party, which is so cute. I'm going to keep the bottle because it's super special. So at the ceremony, after we said our vows to each other that we wrote personally, we put it in this box and locked it with the wine. So now that it's our anniversary, we're going to drink the wine, read our vows to each other again, which we have not read since our wedding, and write new letters for each other to do the same thing next year. And we're gonna just keep the letters all in the box forever. So it's super cute, super special. I can't wait. We said we were gonna write it on like the cruise paper, so it's like something to remember. But yeah, we'll see you at the pool deck. Just another Monday at the office. Having so much fun. Going to
Sushi time, baby. Let's do it.
Sushi is closed. They're closed because they're doing a sushi class, so I'm so sad.
I told them that we always show up late for class.
So we're gonna grab some free pizza instead and go sushi another day.
Alright, that sounds good. Look how pretty. We are in the main lobby, guys. This is the bar that rises up. Goes up every hour or so, I don't know. This is the car, I don't know, there's a rolled up car. Huh? Yeah. And this is the pizza place we're going to.
Got cheese pizza and some barbecue chicken. Garlic sauce and ketchup. Does anyone else eat ketchup with their pizza? Because I think it's so good. guys, so we're basically ready to go. I got dressed, hair done, makeup done, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I'm wearing. I got this dress from Forever 21. It's super cute. I am wearing the earrings I wore on our wedding day, my little side purse that I got from Marshall's, and these flip-flops I got like last year from Target, but I see that they always restock them because they were super popular. We're gonna go down for happy hour now, and then later on, I was thinking maybe after the show, babe, we go to that same place we went last night where the Aqua Theater is to write our letters and read. I think it's like really nice, secluded, and quiet and just peaceful, so it'll be a really nice place to like do it at. What do you think?
I agree.
Okay, let's see my hubby. Okay.
Where'd you get this? TJ Maxx?
Yeah, I got that for. Isn't it so cute?
Abercrombie. I actually got these shoes at Kohl's. And the Michael Kors watch.
This is a watch your mom gave for the wedding and he wore on a wedding. Hold on, it's not focusing. Wow, it's not focusing. Okay.
Oh my, this is amazing. And GM has that problem ordering one street and one spot. I have that and many other problems, you know, and that's the least of it actually. But tonight, our chefs will twist it. So I want you to open your mind, your eyes and your taste as you take your this. But I'm the hatter. The mad hatter, the crazy hatter, there. And I just want to welcome you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes!
Yes!
The man I've been waiting for. Amazing! It's a celebration.
Ooh!
Yeah, amazing!
So pretty!
Happy anniversary!
Thank you! Thank
we should
you!
sing with you, or for you.
Oh, okay.
2, 3. Happy anniversary to you! Happy anniversary to you! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary to you!
Oh, thank you!
Together.
Ta-da!
Yay!
And then
Thank you.
Alright, so here you have the forbidden apple. Ooh. Looks like an apple. So this is Wonderland. Nothing is ever what it seems.
Oh, trying to poison us.
I know, huh? We did it to Snow White, won't do it to you. Here we go.
Oh.
Wow.
So inside is the raspberry mousse, lemon curd, and coconut flake at the base. On the side you have the frozen yogurt. And now you need to video this part.
Yes, we will.
Called the meltdown. We used to call it a bomb, but we can't say that.
Oh, no.
What?
The bomb.
You can't say that.
We can't say the B word no more. So here we have warm caramel in this pot.
Oh.
And it's gonna meet chocolate for the first time. Let's see if they like each other.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, they like each other.
Love it. So inside is a salted caramel ice cream, chocolate, peanut butter mousse, and Rice Krispie coated with white chocolate.
Oh my gosh.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Hey guys.
That was so good.
The Wonderland was amazing.
A waitress,
Shout out Kamika.
If you guys go on Symphony of the Seas and you go to the Wonderland, ask for Kamika. She was amazing. And she made it like a surprise factor to where she picked out all the appetizers for us. And we saw other people struggling, so that was much appreciated. Like she just made it.
She made it super easy.
Experience, and we had so much fun. The food was so good. We got to try everything.
She made us want to book it again.
Yeah, we switched. We're gonna switch Chop's Grill to Wonderland again on the last sea day because we just had such a good experience, and we feel like it's so unique that we would rather do that than like a steakhouse where we can have steak at home. We just want an experience like that. So
yeah,
she's gonna switch her last night.
Again, we're gonna go there. Yes. Absolutely.
Awkward. Okay. Yeah, she totally saw us talking to a camera.
super windy. Alright, careful.
Wait. I don't know where the wind's blowing.
Nice night outside, guys.
I don't think they can hear it. Okay, guys. I'm still cheering for the game. It was the NBA semifinals. Golden State against Portland.
Trailblazers.
Golden State won. So we're back at the Aqua Theater and we're gonna read to each other the vows we wrote for our wedding, and then we're gonna just do some sweet handwritten letters for each other to open next year on our 2nd year anniversary. Yeah, we're in a like corner by ourselves. The air's so breezy.
Yeah,
it's such a nice
spot.
evening. It's nice. Let me show you guys. You guys remember we were like sitting over there yesterday somewhere. Now we're all the way to the corner. Only the ocean behind us. As you see, that's the edge of the ship, so.
Super nice.
Did you have a fun day?
Super fun.
So that wraps up day 3, our anniversary day. Tomorrow we're going to be in St. Kitts. We have no idea what we're doing yet. But of course we'll take you guys along and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
See ya.